Hey guys, my name's Curtis. I'm here to tell you guys about the Epic Opportunity. And as you just saw, that was what they had to offer as far as a little teaser video for you guys. And I am here to just walk you through it. My goal here as a member of this organization is to be the most upfront and honest person that you could talk to about this program, this opportunity. And so what I'm going to do in my video is not necessarily, I will show you me, but not necessarily, I don't know, just sell you on it, but just to give you the God's honest truth about everything I found out about this company and everything that I'm excited about, my apprehensions, the truth behind their compensation plan, all the things that whenever somebody joins any kind of program, you kind of feel like they might gloss over a little bit and that you have to ask the questions to get the answers. I'm here to present you the opportunity, but also to try to answer as many of the questions as I had before, all my apprehensions, just to give the full picture. So here I'm going to go into the slide mode. First I'm going to show you guys kind of just a little presentation what it's about. Epic is a educational Forex trading platform, and what they're selling you on is this education and with this Forex trading. So shouldn't you be first at least once in your life? Sure. Okay, great, wonderful, warm fuzzy stuff about it. Let's figure out what they're all about. Global company, lifelong skill of Forex trading. So, their moniker is, Forex trading, achieve your financial dreams and goals. I'm not here to be pessimistic about anything. And as a matter of fact, I'm very optimistic about a lot of stuff here. But that's, the lines that are fed to us by every single company, that every single opportunity, they want to be the biggest, they want to be the best, you're going to be the richest, blah, blah, blah. So, sure, okay, yeah, that's fine. Let's go into what you really do, please. What is Forex? Foreign exchange, buying and selling of currencies. The big banks do it with our money in the banks, but we can do it too. Now, obviously, we're going to be doing on a much smaller scale than big banks do it on, but still make money. Currency exchange rates, when I invest in the stock market. I'm a day trader, swing trader. That's the kind of stuff that I deal with. And whenever I never really looked into Forex too much, because to me, Forex was like this stuff, it just nibbles back and forth like those. It just didn't make a lot of sense to me at first until I really looked into this opportunity and looked into this. Oh, sorry about that. I just got my pen out and there we go. So what does Epic offer? Live sessions, daily signals at Epic University, syllabus, market forecast, trading community. So, and I will show you guys this. This is just the first step in this process. I'm going to show you guys this. But they have live trading sessions with, 6-figure, 7-figure traders. Like live as in on camera. You can see them, you can hear them, they record them. So they have training sessions so that they're these traders are walking you step by step the indices that they're using, just how to know when to enter and exit trades, just all the complex parts of, Forex trading. And they do it live. So instead of just reading in a book or going to the Epic University, which we'll talk more about, and studying and reading, which is good and everything, but really to apply the knowledge you need, for me, I have to have it in front of my face. I need somebody showing me, oh, this is what this means, oh, this is what this means, I see this here, etc. Daily signals. they have, through the Telegram app, they have a Telegram channel where they have traders, multiple traders, giving signals for buy alerts, sell alerts, where to set your stop loss, where to set your take profits, and I'll show you guys that too. Compensation plan. We'll go more into the education in a little bit. I want to show you guys what that looks like right now, as we're in pre-launch. That's the thing I forgot to mention. Epic is in pre-launch. They've been in pre-launch officially starting September 1st. Today is the 18th. And this actually goes full-blown in October. Like, this is when things really start heating up. Right now, September, you lock your spot, quote unquote, for $20, which is cool because you get to see, they don't have all the university stuff up and running yet, but they do have the daily signals up and stuff like that. So you can see the trading, you can see the profits. Last week, like I said, this week is today's Friday, the 18th of September. They gave a total summary of all the signals that they gave for last week ending September 11th. And from all the calls they made and all the signals they made, the profit, if you had taken every single one of those trades and traded it exactly as the pros did, there were some winners and losers, but there's a few losers among the winners, but with their stop losses, they mitigate losses pretty well, and they actually profited in 1 week 19,800 pips. And if you don't know what pip is yet, well, guess what? There's a Forex University, and you're going to find out. But basically what it is it's kind of a unit of measure for your profits depending on the lot size you trade. And again, it is what it is. You'll have to learn about it, but it's interesting. It's good. If you basically make profits in factors of 1, whether it's 0.01, like make 10 cents a pip, make $1 a pip, make $10 a pip, down to like 1 cent a pip. But like 19,800 pips, even if you only invest 10 cents a pip, that's $1,980 you could have possibly made using a small lot. So there's that. That's what really attracted me to this product, and as a product that you are encouraged to market to other people, basically, is because it's a product that's actually worth something. I can actually make money using this product without doing anything else. You can sign up for this. It costs $99 a month, and you could be like, I just want the signals. I just want to learn, and I just want to trade. That's fine. Do it. You can make money. You can learn a skill. It's a marketable. It's a product that has value, which is exciting to me, because a lot of places, it's just, especially in like those companies that they just sell overpriced crap, and structure it where you get people underneath you and everything. It's just like, okay, so now we're just more people selling overpriced crap. Who can afford overpriced crap these days? I want a product that I can use to make money. And that's my goal. What's your goal, All right, let's go into compensation briefly here. So this is their compensation plan. You start off as a nobody. You pay $90, or pre-launch, you pay $20. Lock your spot, get in. Learn the business a little bit, get in, but starting in October, you pay $99 a month to be what's called a scholar. Scholar right there. So if you sign up under somebody and you just want to do the $99 a month, you are one of their scholars. If you want to be an IBO, it's an extra $25 a month. And I think whether you're gonna be an IBO or not, the $25 a month is really negligible if you're willing to pay the $99 a month for the product itself, because you have to be an IBO to gain any of the benefits of this compensation plan. You just have to be, or else, even if you have a billion people underneath you, and I'll explain how all this works here in a second, it doesn't matter, because you're not an IBO. So might as well throw the extra $25 on. Let me explain to you why. first level of compensation, 3 personally referred scholars. Their compensation plan is it's a 3 matrix basically. You have 3 people under you. Like if you recruit 3 people, only 3 and only 3 will ever be directly under you. Anyone else that you generate is going to go beneath the people that are under you already. And it's what's called spillover basically. And I like that because I've seen other plans where, you know, you can go 7 wide or 10 wide and you're kind of just putting them under yourself. People can be very selfish about how they structure their plans and everything. I like the 3. I like that it's locked at 3 because then spillover happens. Then the people you recruited are getting bonuses based on the people that I recruit. The guy above me who recruited me, or who I found, he gets more people. He has no choice but to give them to me. He has no choice. I mean, it doesn't matter to him because he still makes money off of them. But they also go under me and count towards my balance requirements and toward my total team members. As long as they're below me, they count as a total team member if I'm an IBO. Now, personally preferred scholars, this first column here, 3 all the way down. What does that mean? It means you need to have 3 personally referred scholars to qualify for the compensation plan. So 3 signups. And you can get these signups by people you know, or you could even, like, if you know somebody in your upline that's got their personal 3 and they don't mind, they can even make you a refer. Like somebody that they sign up later on, they could actually change the member ID number, and when you assign somebody to a spot and be like, hey, do you need one of these for one of your legs? Yeah, I would. Okay, here, I'll just switch the number. He's going to be under you. Once that happens, he would have nothing. He doesn't have direct access to that person's information anymore. Whereas anyone that I sign up, or anyone that gets signed up under my plan, and I'll show you this in my downline in a minute, I have access to their email address and phone number, so I can call them, or I'm not going to call anyone unless we're getting close, but I email everyone underneath me that I sign up, follow up with them if they have questions, try to get them hooked into our team as much as possible so that they aren't sitting out there feeling lost, So the entire compensation plan, you need 3 scholars, 3 total team members to qualify. Now, if you have the 3 scholars, 1 in each leg, because like I said, it's a 3-person, 3-leg matrix, basically, then your membership becomes free. So that $99 a month becomes free. 3 and free. So you still have to pay the $25 IBO, but you're saving $100. So again, even if you just wanted to be a scholar, if you can find it in you somewhere to find 3 people eventually to sign up with you, even if it took you 4 months to find 3 people, you could be coming out on top because you're cutting $100 off your price. You're saving 4 months per month after that. So then next level down, 10 total team members. You still only need 3 personally referred scholars. 10 total team members is going to get you weekly pay of $125 or monthly pay of $500. Now, here's the slight caveat to this entire compensation plan. Once you reach this $500 mark where you're making $500 a month, you then have to start paying that $99 a month. Again, so $125 total. But, I mean, it is what it is. Who cares? So instead of, you're basically netting, once you get to the 10 level, $375 a month. Still not bad. Now, balance requirements. Let's look at this real quick. They want, and I heard an explanation for this, that, it kind of prevents people that do nothing the whole time from just reaping the benefits. Like, they have to be a little active in, getting signups and placing people and stuff, etc. So that's why they do the balance requirements. You have to have 4, 4, and 2. Now, I've heard people ask already, what if I have 6, 4, and 2? Well, then you still qualify because you've met the minimums. If you have 12, 12, and 2, then you wouldn't qualify for this next one. You need to get 4 more in that third leg. If you got 34, 12, and 6, then you're only going to qualify for this one. You need to balance it out and start putting more people on your middle leg. So if there's any questions about that, I'm trying to be as clear as possible. Hopefully everyone can understand. You can see this compensation plan goes all the way down to $1 million a month. 75,000 people in your downline. So if you think about it, if you just straight up fill it from the top down, you have 3 people in your first line because you're only allowed to have 3. So then each of them has 3. So 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 6, 729, whatever it is. So it only takes about 4 levels to get to, about here. And then another 1 level to get there. And then basically, and that's probably why they do it, 3, 9 is close to 10. 27 is almost 30. 81, 243. 670 is like in between there. And then it almost jumps all the way up there. Or 7, whatever it is. So anyway, compensation plan. Everyone above you that recruits more people, they get pushed down to your open spots. So if you got somebody down on your left leg that only has 6 and the guy above you recruits somebody, you are going to get that person put in your downline and you are going to get the credit for it. The volume requirements, your points. It just means that people have to pay their bills. People have to maintain their subscription or else they don't count, basically. You're not going to have 75,000 people that accumulated there and then 5,000 people stopped using the program and stopped paying the $100 subscription. Then you're not going to get full credit. You're going to get wherever the volume credit lines up. So you need balance in your legs and you need volume. You need people to pay their bills. It matches up exactly with, you need all 80 people to pay their bill that month for you to get the compensation. And it's weekly pay too, so they broke it down. You get paid weekly. So free with 3, you net 375 with 10, net 875 with 30, so on and so forth. And I've seen the Epic Rank rewards, even though they're not on this one, and I don't think they're on the website either. But it's like once you get to this ambassador level, it's like vacations and stuff like that. And I think down here it's like a Rolex, stuff like that. It's like the nice little extra bonus that most of us won't ever see. But I've got long-term goals for this. I'm a trader, so I'm going to keep this program, and I'm going to keep making videos to help people. And I'm just going to go through this and get as deep as I can, even if it takes me, a year to get to, this mark here, 250. That's $5,000 a month. Is that worth it? Is that worth a year of effort? Absolutely. 2 years, whatever. All right, let's keep going down. Launch strategy. They started September 1st. They've got their 40,000 people already. But don't let that scare you. 40,000 people. It's still early. This is 2 weeks into this. We are, not even 3 weeks into this, and we haven't even officially we have not gone live. It is not October 1st yet. And even if it's after October 1st when you're watching this, it's not too late. There's like a small handful of countries like Syria and North Korea where you can't use this Epic program in. Like, this is worldwide. You can spread this across the globe. There's 7.2 billion people, and probably 7 billion people are eligible to, in most countries, are eligible to do this. So that's kind of their little presentation. I wanted to take you now Let's go to, it's going to take you right into, so you're sold. You lock your spot, $20. What happens from there? Well, as you can see, I've been doing this for, I think, just a little over a week now, and this is my first video. So I've gotten a couple friends signed up, but this is my first video. And like I said, my goal is to be completely open and honest with everyone. Answer any questions. I work nights, that's why I'm making this video in the dark. And, or I'm not at work, I'm just, whatever, right? And I'm gonna start cranking it out, I'm not good with videos. I guess once I'm kind of in the swing of things, I can talk anyone's ear off, but like, it's not my forte. I'm not gonna edit this and make it look all bright and markety and everything. That's not my goal here. My goal here is to learn this system inside and out, to trade, and help everyone else that wants to do the same thing. And to be honest. I don't want to be lying to anyone. I'm not going to dick anyone around. But I think it's a great opportunity, and that's why I'm sharing it. For many reasons, and especially with who I signed up with, which I'll get into in a little bit. So this is your dashboard. Epic University. We'll go right there. Now, again, it's not live yet. So this is their syllabus. They kind of break it down day by day what they want you to do. They got a couple different documents. They've got the 2-week syllabus you can download. They've got another kind of like book basically you can download, and a candlestick Bible, which is very interesting, by the way. But the actual university content isn't available yet. But honestly, it's okay. I mean, they've got a lot even in pre-launch for you to look at. Those, because that's not just single pages there. Those are documents you click on, download. And actually, like I said, $143 pages. And that's not even, oh, that was the other thing. That was in the training. That was the second item. 2-week syllabus. So you're getting the inside scoop here. I don't know if anyone else has done this or if I'm technically even allowed to, but it's easier to ask forgiveness than permission. So they're going to have videos. Basic breakdown. This is just their 2-week syllabus. So they're going to give you homework. They're already giving homework in the live sessions. 2-week study guide tips for success. They recommend there's live sessions with traders. And people thought, and I thought, that live sessions would be live trading, which I think some of them do, but mostly it's just straight educational live sessions, like live market conditions, live things with traders. And they're good. I listened to, I think, 2 of them, and they're about an hour long, maybe longer a piece, depending on how long they're online for. But they're good. They're gonna teach us what we need to know. That the education aspect of this program, it's not fluff, it's not fake, it's hard. Like, you gotta concentrate, you gotta focus, you gotta pay attention, do your homework. It's like, but anything else, if it's worth doing, it's gonna be hard. If it's worth doing, it's gonna be hard. So they've got, which ones to. I usually trade the London session because it's 2 a.m. That's when I'm up. So these are the pairs I like to look at. So it's nice to know. Money management rules. So like lot sizes, account sizes, stuff like that. They really try to get you in the mindset of, hey, don't lose your ass here, which is nice because they're not promising that you're going to be a billionaire. Because you're not. Because if you think you're going to be a billionaire overnight doing this, you're just going to lose your ass. Bottom line. So they have live trading sessions here, 2 a.m., 7 a.m., 9 p.m. Each one of the live trading sessions is available to listen to afterward until the next one comes up. And I think some of them are saved other places too. Document, there's not a lot there right now. Documents. Telegram. So this is where, don't look at my stuff. Of course I cover it with my thumb. I don't think it matters. It doesn't have my, that's just who I am. I'm a big trader, and I'm going to make a YouTube profile for that, and I'm going to put all my Forex and business related stuff on that stuff. So let's go to the Telegram, because the Telegram's cool. Telegram is where it's at, and that's where you see the money, really. This is, oops, don't look at that. Here we go. So, Epic has 3 different channels on Telegram. They have Epic News Network, where they kind of say, hey, this is the time of the next study hall. This is the time of the next trading session starting. How's everything going? They post other videos. And I think I mentioned to you earlier that they gave like a summary last week, if I can find it, of all of their trades. Here we go. This is all their trades last week. So they're very transparent. And you can go back through, and I'll show you the trade alert thing, but 7th through the 11th, every single trade that they called, 20 pips, 50 pips, plus 400 pips, they were negative 35 on that one, negative 60, negative 30. The pluses are all generally bigger than the minuses. You know, they got some smaller scalp trades in there, but big ones too. They got some, the GR30, those are bigger wins or bigger losses. That's just how that kind of stuff works. US 30. Trading team total pip count, plus 19,800. $1 per pip, you would have profited $19,800. And that's like a decent sized lot. It's not a full lot, it's just like a tenth of a lot. But you can also do micro. Even a micro lot, 10-cent lot size, you would have profited almost $2,000. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. So their results are kind of speaking for themselves. And I'll go and they'll show you here. So this is what they usually the alerts look like here. Buy US 30. Stop loss is this. These are the levels set your take profits at. You know, it's just they're giving it to you step by step. Like here you go, right here. Look at this one. US 30. Entered it here. Stop loss, they tell you set your stop loss here. Don't let it fall below that. You're only going to be risking 6% of your investment. So if the 350 is 6%, then 640 is going to be what? Probably 12%. Up 280 pips. So it's just like they post graphs, they post mostly entries and exits. So like this one, USD CAD currency pair. Buy it now. These are the stop losses. Sometimes they don't. Stop loss hit. There's a big news day. Hit stop loss for, or hit the target price for that one, 450 pips. You know, it's good stuff. It's good, strong stuff. And so, there's my kids. You can see them, I don't care. That's basically what Epic is all about. It's pretty straightforward. They give you a lot of different things. There's a lot of information in the live trading sessions. They help out with the, let's go back to the Telegram a little bit. They've got the news network, the Epic Trade House, which, no, it's just not alone that way. But they post a lot of things with, I guess it's in the Epic News Network, to study. So, live London session. So the session is live right now. Study hall, 54 minutes, 32 seconds. There's study halls, multiple study halls every day. Post homework for you to do. And then plus the university itself. It's just going to be huge. And so, what is the other thing I wanted to share with you guys real quick before I sign off? The team that I am a part of is Team AMP with Mike Manziel. And if you don't know who that is, he probably popped up very first on your YouTube feed for like these AMP videos. And he is the owner, operator of Affiliate Marketing Pros. And I chose to join with him. I could have joined with somebody else, but I wanted to join with somebody that was going to maximize my potential. And he has, watch his videos, but don't sign up with him. Sign up with me. And let me tell you why, real quick. Because he's a great guy. Because, no matter what, he gets credit for you. If I sign up people, then he gets credit for my signups. They're in his downline. He gets the money too. He gets credit too. Sign up with me because if you sign up directly with him, you could end up with just anyone in your upline. I wouldn't have any way to be in contact with you. I wouldn't know you from Adam. Well, that's not true. Because he has a Telegram page for all of his members as well. And we've got, a lot of conversation going on and everything else. Like it's, and he has a lot of promotional stuff that is for his team only. But you get those benefits by coming with me. Anyone that comes in under him, whether it's somebody that I sign up or somebody that he directly signs up, gets the AMP Stars AMP membership benefits. And he has traffic funnels coming in. He's got a sign up rotator that's in full effect right now. He is helping his team grow. And he's awesome. He's great. But you just never know. Like, you could have somebody that is just like a trader. You could have somebody that's just like here for purely marketing purposes. I feel like I'm a good hybrid of those two. I am a trader and I want to market and I want to help people. I want to educate people and I want to help them get their signups and grow, because obviously anyone that I sign up, I'm going to be motivated as heck to help them do the best that they can, because anybody that signs up under me, their success is directly impacting my success. And I'm in this. Like, I've been studying this crap, not just Forex, just like the marketing side and the helping side and helping get signups and stuff. I've been studying the crap out of all of it. And it's hurting my brain a little bit. I got to take a night off and watch a couple episodes of, a TV show or something. It's like I've been hammering frying my brain 6 hours a night with this stuff, plus just thinking about it 24/7, because, I'm obsessive. If I don't have something to strive for, I'm kind of dead in the water, and it makes me feel alive, so I gotta get in this. I gotta master and tame this wild stallion, and make some good money. And I've got a lot of motivation to learn and to grow and to just know inside and out what I need to know to be the best possible I can be at this. And so that's why I want to reach out and get people that are like serious. Like, if people are looking for a big flashy YouTube video, I mean, they're not going to get it from me. They're going to get, straight up, you can make money two different ways with this program. You can just learn the trading and trade. You can make money. It'll pay for your subscription and you can just do that. But also I want to learn this and just grow with this whole building a team aspect and using traffic funnels and rotators, and like I just want to have a good whole all around package, and I want to help my team just with everything. I want people that if somebody on my team has a question, I want to be able to give them an answer. I want to be the person they go to for the answer. And I want to interconnect with people that have different strengths than me and to build each other up. So like I'm hoping I get some great Forex guys through this. I'm hoping I get some people that are really good with like maybe the marketing, like making videos, making a little bit of our own like content just so we can attract more members and stuff like that. Like that's what I'm hoping to accomplish. And just get because different people are good at different things, and it's good to have a well-rounded team that can grow together. And that's really what I want. That's what I want to do with this. So, but Mike Manziel, he's a son of a gun. No, he's great. But he provides so much with like. You sign up with me, you sign up with Mike, it doesn't make a difference. You get the Epic AMP team. You get connected to his company, basically. You get a lot of the bonuses of working with his company. You get the Epic AMP trading bonus guide. You got a couple great guys working for him. And this is just his own content here. Getting 3 referrals in minutes, the sign-up rotator, the trading platform setup and overview, how to do your holding placement, how to do, join our Facebook and Telegram, like all the stuff that he has on top of AMP, or on top of Epic. I mean, he is AMP. Michael Mansell is AMP. He is. And he's giving us an entire tool belt of things to work with. So join with me and you will also get these great benefits, plus my undying attention and gratitude. Attention because I'll be poking you with a stick if I see you not doing anything. You don't want to join the Telegram group? Yes you do. Yes you do. I've droned on for way too long in this meeting. I gotta go. But thank you guys. I'm going to include my link below for signing up with moi. If you want to message me, comment me, I will connect with you in any way I can, answer any questions I can. And I'm thirsty. And we'll get this rocking and rolling. I made a freaking 40-minute video about this that should have been like 10 minutes long. I'm sorry. But blah, blah, blah. I'm here. Click the link. Shoot me a message. Be like, all right, you rambling idiot. Talk to me about this. More than happy to. And I'm always awake and I never go to sleep because I have 3 kids. So that's it. See you guys later.